Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful tutorial, how to add the San Francisco Pro font family to Figma if you're working on a Windows computer. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to use those sleek Apple fonts right inside your Figma projects. Whether you're designing an iOS app, a website, or you just want that clean, modern look for your UI work. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Google and search for San Francisco font. Now, a quick tip, you'll notice there are lots of websites offering downloads for these fonts, but make sure you're sticking to reputable sources and always check the usage rights if it's for a commercial project. For most quick design work or mockups, using one of the free versions is totally fine. So once you find a free San Francisco font, go ahead and click through to download it. Usually the font files will come in a zipped folder, so after the download's finished, just open up that folder. Now, inside your download folder, look for the files marked with a little icon or pay attention to the file type that says OpenType Font File. That's important because those are the standard font files that Windows can recognize. You might see several files like San Francisco Display, San Francisco Text, and so on. You can install all the styles if you want the full set or just pick the ones you'll use most. Here, where things get really simple. Head to the Windows search bar and type in Font Settings. You'll see something called Fonts, System Settings pop up. Click on that. It's basically your computer's central hub for managing fonts. Now, with the Settings window open, just highlight all those font files you want to install. You can use Ctrl+A to select them all at once, and then drag and drop them right into this Font Settings window. You might see a small loading bar as Windows imports the fonts. This can take a few moments, especially if you're installing a lot at once. And that's it. The fonts are now properly installed on your system. Next up, let's move over to Figma. This step is really important. Open your Figma desktop app first, not the browser version, because newly installed system fonts usually show up here before anywhere else. If you skip this step and check Figma in your browser, you might not see the fonts right away, which can be super confusing. So with the desktop app open, drop a text box onto your canvas and look for the font drop-down in your typography settings. Scroll or type to find San Francisco. You should see all those different styles you just installed. Select it for your text and watch your design transform instantly with that iconic Apple vibe. Once you've confirmed the font is working in the desktop app, you can now hop back over to the browser version of Figma if that's your preference, and the San Francisco font will now be available there too, under your typography options. It might feel like a bit of a roundabout process, but trust me, this ensures Figma recognizes the new font everywhere you work. And you're done. Now you can use the San Francisco font in any of your Figma projects, whether you're on the desktop app or in the browser. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I love helping out and hearing how you're using these resources. And of course, make sure you subscribe for more practical design tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.